Hey students, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do value scales. So if you want to kick your drawings up a notch, fulfill all your dreams, take them to the next level, and keep watching. So to start a value scale, you're going to want to draw a row of boxes, and I recommend you use a ruler. I am starting working from dark to light. This, I find, is just the easiest way to gauge each step going down, each step in value as we go. So the darkest box that I'm working on now, I am pushing with my hardest pressure using my pencil. This darkest box, we want to be very deep, very black. So when you're done, that nice black square, it should almost have like a shiny coat on the top of it. It almost looks waxy. As we jump down, you may think you need to start pushing really hard with your pencil again because we're going quite dark. However, do not do this. The problem is that if you go too dark and you need to take it back a notch, sometimes it's not really possible and you can end up smudging that waxy inky layer. It can become a huge mess. So take it easy to start with, even if you have to build up to get to a darker shade. That is the technique of shading. So I've worked down here, I've got a couple squares to go and I'm getting pretty light. So as you can see, each jump from square to square, I'm trying to make each jump between the values nice and even. I'll also do an example with color just so that you can see. The technique is exactly the same. Although value scales might seem like a not very exciting exercise, they're really, really good for building your technique. It's really these fundamental exercises that go the longest way, in my opinion. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.